Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to Top 10 Techie. I'm your host Techie, here to discuss about the trendy tech news, V Insights. Just sit back and relax to get updated with the latest tech news and trends. Blockchains. Blockchain is a technology that is used to create secure and tamper-proof records and used in variety of applications, including cryptocurrency and supply chain management. Now, they have planned to implement this blockchain technology that is being to be used inside the voting systems. Nice. It increases the security and transparency to the people, and it could also help the people to increase the voting participation and reduce fraud. As a blockchain continues to develop, it helps to potentially to revolutionize many industries. I hope this will be a good beginning. Recently we could see the evolution of AI. Artificial intelligence is another technology that is rapidly evolving. AI is being used in variety of applications. Just see this video.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Top 10 Techie. I'm your host Techie, and today we're going to be talking about the latest tech news and trends.
Okay, I stop it. It really does better than me. Is it right? What you saw is just a sample of AI. It can do a lot more funny and generative things. I have made a video on tips on AI and how can you be benefited with these AIs. If you haven't watched it yet, just click here. Metaverse is a hot topic in tech world right now. Immersive virtual world that is fascinating by each and every individual for virtual reality and augmented reality headsets. Meta, Microsoft, Roblox and Epic plans for it. It's a virtual world where people can interact with each other with digital connection. Meta claims that it increases the productivity, enhancement education, new entertainment. Think, what about the privacy? So, some people believe that the metaverse could be the next big thing while the others are skeptical to it. Netizens talk about this as it is a complete going to be a failure as 80% of the people is opposition of it. What do you guys feel about it? Mention in the comments. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that is based on the principles of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics uses the computers. Computers are much faster than the traditional computers and they have the potential to solve problems that are currently impossible to solve with traditional computers. Intel announces a plan for 49-qubit quantum computer. IBM unveils Eagle quantum computer from 2021 and Google claims the quantum computer supermassive with Synchron chip in 2019. Still all around processing. It can help in drug discovery. How means quantum computer could be used to stimulate the behavior of molecules within seconds. And material science, cryptography, even in finance. Still have not subscribed my channel? Click the button here for more tech related contents. Next up, let's see self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the transportation faster. Self-driving cars could make our roads safer and more efficient. Do you guys think it's safer? Waymo, the car company which launches a fully driverless taxi service in San Francisco. Waymo, the self-driving car, it's a parent company owned by Google, has launched a fully driverless taxi service in San Francisco. The service is currently limited to small number of riders, but it has a major step forwards to commercialization of self-driving cars. In 2022, Samsung Electronics won the contract with Alphabet's Waymo to develop chips for the next generation. It may be launching soon on 2024. Waymo is not only the single company which uses the Google chips, also Toyota, Aurora, Cruise also uses these Google chips. AR and VR both have a tough growth in the tech world, both have a good value and competition to each other. Example, in AR we will be using the game called Pokemon Go. It's a very popular AR game that allows the players to catch a Pokemon in the real world. And OnePlus Nord, which has been released with a great hype using this AR technology. The AR growth is very high and they have been very revolutionary, and the VR technology, the Oculus Rift and the HTC Vive, the two popular VR headsets, that are used for gaming and entertainment. Google Earth allows now for the VR user to explore the world with a virtual environment. They can see it in live. Both AR and VR are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting applications from AR and VR. Drones. Everybody will be heard about this. These are aerial vehicles that can be used for a variety of purposes such as photography, delivery, and surveillance. Drones are becoming increasingly popular and they have the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries. Nowadays, the drone is being used in agriculture, and Amazon has planned to launch the Primat drone delivery. It's a service provided in Lockford, California. The service is currently limited to small number of customers, but it's a major step towards the commercialization of drone delivery. Maybe in India it may be very hard because of lot of population and heavy people traffic, lot of buildings. Let us see what does the Amazon does. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative. Think what happens when the drone is used in military. Write in comments. We came to a third topic, 3D printing. It's a process that creates a three-dimensional objects from the digital file. It is being used in a variety of applications from manufacturing to healthcare. It is having the potential to change the way we produce our goods and services. Now they have planned to use these 3D printing materials in education. As these education materials such as models and simulations can be built, and they can also create a prototypes in using it. It can also be used to teach students about engineering, design and manufacturing. Gadgets. In everyday life, for common people, the most important things are phone and laptop. Here, the most anticipated phones and laptops we will be seeing. Nothing 2. It may be released on mid-July as same as a transparent background with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 display 6.67 inches, 4700 mAh with 120Hz and 60 plus watts fast charging. And the next phone will be Google Pixel Fold. It's releasing on mid-June and it is being set on Google I/O 2023. It will be having a 7.6 inner display and 120Hz display ratio that has 5.8 inches on outside look. The Tensor G2 chip will be integrated with it of 12GB of RAM and comes in 256 and 512GB of storage. It has a battery capacity of 4820 mAh. To charge it, we will be using 30 watts charger. If you want to know much about Tensor chipset, I will tag in the I button. Watch the video. Next, the laptops. The YogaBook 9i is the most anticipated laptop from Lenovo. It uses 13th gen Intel Core i7 with U15 processor and it has a 16GB of RAM. It also features with Intel Iris Xe graphics, a full HD IR plus RGB camera. They included AI like smart writing, reading, notes taking capabilities, new features with innovation at the finest laptop. 5G. It is the next generation of a cellular technology. 5G is much faster than 4G, 4G plus, 4G Volt. It will enable us a new application such as real-time video streamings and autonomous drivings. Now, Airtel has been announced that its 5G network is available in 18 major cities across India. These cities include Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Plan to expand in some more cities in coming months. Airtel offers an introductory plan of unlimited 5G data to the customers. Airtel has also partnered with Meta to accelerate India's digital ecosystem, deploy 5G enabled solutions for business and consumers, and it has been announced that Airtel 5G Plus is now available in 4 airports and 13 cities in India. These airports include Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore, also in Hyderabad. Now these cities and these airports are completely having Airtel 5G Plus to use, and these solutions will also focus on areas of augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence with partnership of Meta. There is a surprise for the gamers. We have some exciting news. Get ready to level up your gaming experience because BGMI is back and better than ever. From 29th May 23rd, officially available on Play Store. Just download it and enjoy your gameplay. That's all for now, folks. Stay tuned for the new videos for more exciting news, reviews, and updates from your Top 10 Techie channel. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Buy me some new friends.